super simple. Everybody knows how to scan a QR code.
Yep.
You just download the app, and it'll be called the Eagle Pro AI app D-Link.
Just installing now.
Fantastic. So with a lot of these installations, from my personal perspective, I find it all quite confusing this. So the first thing is if you have to sign in. So you can sign in with Facebook, Google, blah, blah, blah. So sign in whatever way you normally do.
Yeah, I'm going to try Apple.
And that seems so kind of simple so far to me. Okay, and then agree to the terms. And again. And allow, and okay. So it's asking for permission, and just go next. Okay, great.
Yeah, install new device.